Everyone, in today's hug, we're going to talk about Brussels sprouts. Okay, in the theme for the week of my favorite vegetable recipes, we're going to take one out of this cookbook that I wrote. It's no longer in publication, but it's called the Ketogenic Table. And today I'm going to share my favorite Brussels sprout recipe with you. And just a little backstory, I hated Brussels sprouts growing up. I mean, absolutely hated them. But I like them this way. So what do? Well, you buy a bunch of Brussels sprouts, ideally at your farmer's market. I tried growing them. They just don't grow well. And so anyway, then you get your food processor and you put it on the thin slice setting. And you just run the Brussels sprouts right through it. You don't need to trim them. You don't need to do anything. Super simple. I mean, of course, you're going to wash them. But then you just put them in the thin slice. Don't make the mistake of shredding them because they don't work out well that way. They get mushy. But if you thinly slice them, then they are shaved Brussels sprouts. Then what you're going to do is put them in a big bowl and mix with some avocado oil, salt, and then add chopped up raw bacon. And then put it on a thin cookie sheet that has they're called jelly roll pans actually, but they have like a edge around them, and spread them out so that they're like in a thin layer. Okay. And then you're going to roast them. And I usually roast them for about a half an hour at 425, but again, it depends on your oven and how hot it gets. Whenever I cook, I always use the convection setting. So if you have it, it speeds up the time by about 30%. Okay. So what you're looking for is just a little bit of black on the edges and to make sure the bacon is actually cooked. Now, alternatively, what you could do is you could cook the bacon separately and sprinkle it on top afterwards. But I just like to get it all done at once. And so I do it that way. So with a pound of Brussels sprouts, I would usually use about 4 slices of bacon. So that makes about 4 servings and everybody gets a full slice of bacon because let's face it, that's like part of the best, it's part of the best thing. So anyways, hopefully this will help you like Brussels sprouts because I'm telling you, they get crispy they're so delicious this way. So let me know if you try it, okay? So let's close out with our favorite hump day hug. It's not hump day, it's hug day. But everybody's hug day. Every day's hug day. Anyways, you guys, thanks for watching and make it a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.